just a moment, stay like this, yeah?
Okay.
You feel it's going to get exhausting. Yeah.
Quick.
Every moment right now, you are torn between sit down and relax or use it and push myself.
I have a choice.
You have a choice. But the good thing is you don't give yourself choice. And you just say, for the next 20 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. So,
That felt like a lifetime.
and this is the thing, why you need someone who guides you, who pushes you through, who helps you, who motivates you, and makes it because he wants you to discover something, how strong you really are.
If you weren't counting there, I would have given up 20 seconds earlier.
If I would have given you the choice, you wouldn't even make the 20 seconds. Sometimes in different other traditions, we say, if you are losing the fire inside of you, life is over. So what do you need in order to live like life? We need fire. And this fire only comes also when we are using willpower. In order to stay the 20 seconds, you need willpower. And the more you have this, the more internally it starts to generate this heat, this fire, this vitality. It is that vitality that makes you then push through things even if it will become hard one day. It's this energy.